And so yeah, my phone's like kind of at low percent, so I just went ahead and started the video right here. But today I will be opening this Tsum Tsum thing that I got, and this is a Walgreens exclusive. And it says Pastel Parade Limited Edition gift set. And I will be using scissors for these. And please, if you are going to open this by yourself, or if you're going to get something like this, then you have to open with scissors. Make sure you have a adult supervision, because these scissors are sharp and you could cut yourself or hurt yourself. So let's go on to it. So on the back it says ingredients: dash of Mickey, pinch of Minnie, teaspoon of Thumper, sprinkle of Miss Bunny, print of Piglet, dollop of Winnie the Pooh. Cuteness 100%. And it's like really cute. I'm going to keep the little thing. And I think that's Thumper and that's Miss Bunny. But I'm not positive. But I definitely want to keep this because it is so cute, you guys. I'm definitely going to show my dad this. And I don't know how much this was exactly. Here, I have the receipt. I'm pretty sure this is $13. Yes, this is $13. I already know. I just know it. It was $13. Correct. Yes, it was $13. Plus tax. I don't know how much plus tax was. Oh, you guys, I just did it. No! Okay, well, I can rip this part of it, because, I mean, I don't really need the top part. And make sure you're really careful if you do not have supervision. Yeah, so you can just tear that off if you want to, you guys. And I'm just going to try to get it out somehow, and once I get it out, I will be back. Okay, so I just had a little bit of tape on it, and I just had to cut that, but I got it out, and it's like this really cute little, and on the back you can kind of see their toe. And then they're like, I'll like show you what they're in, but yeah. And I think there's some tape on that too, but I'm not positive. No, they're not. Oh god, it's like little cupcakes. So first we have Mickey. And they're really soft actually, you guys. And they're in these like little cupcake things. And they're really cute. Next we have Minnie, of course. So yeah, if we have Mickey, we have to have Minnie. Pretty cute. Yes, like I said, she has one of those as well. And if you take them off, you can just simply put them back on. And like I said, they are very soft characters. Next we have, I think it's Miss Bunny. Yeah, I think this is Miss Bunny. And there's a dash of Mickey, a pinch of Minnie, a sprinkle of Miss Bunny, a teaspoon of Thumper. These are adorable, you guys. A dollop of Winnie the Pooh, a print of Piglet, and 100% cuteness. I just read off of here. I did not go in order. Oh no. But yeah, I don't know what I'll use a container for them in. I really don't know, you guys, but I don't really have that many Tsum Tsums. I don't have really any Tsum Tsums. I mean, I have their stuffed animals, and I have a large Minnie Mouse and tons of the little stuffed animal ones, but other than that, I don't have that many. And before you guys just go off and play with them, make sure you clean up first. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to click like and subscribe and comment down below what you like best. Piglet, Miss Bunny, Winnie the Pooh, Mickey, Minnie, or of course Thumper. Bye guys.